What up, guys? Ish. Yeah, I know other people might be like, hey, man, please keep up with the updates and stuff. Ish. I wish, but I won't lie to you. For the past months, since March, guys, life was just going some other things and family matters and a lot of things. It's normal for because at the end of the day, we can't have perfect life, man. There's just gonna be things at the end there that would disturb you mentally. And yeah, but at the moment now, I'm like, you can't you can't cry forever. So you have to pick yourself up. Then you have to find other ways to move forward. So at this moment, I'm just like, you know what? Let me just look for anything that normally inspires me and trying to get back and do what I do best. So yeah, obviously I promised a video that I didn't drop. Sorry for that, but I'll drop probably this week. Today I'm just gonna break down a few things also in terms of our analysis. And then what can I start with? Okay, since we is with gold, then we just have to start with gold. So with gold, let's go to monthly, and then from monthly. Last time I did mention something that gold we in an uptrend, but there's a sign of price trying to push further down. So these are the area that we might see if you were to sell gold. Maybe from here I can start looking for further upside, but at the moment you see price trap more buyers above. So I'm expecting at least minimum these areas. These will be like areas that I'm interested in. So if I'm selling gold, then these will be like areas I'll be like interested in. So another thing that we need to do when it's come to analyzing for me, I'm trying to be in tune with the market than doing a lot of analyzing. Actually, it is good, but it also has its own downfall whereby you say maybe things supposed to go up and then now it's going down. So you need to adapt. You need to have a way of understanding the market, what it's trying to do. So in this case, we see that this is the area, as I've said, is the area that I'm interested in seeing price rolling over to this area. But if you can check over the past past few weeks, we've seen that price stop around this area and then it continuing going above. But I still looking for price probably to go here and then clean out this area. I'm still looking for them. Why? As I've said, that I saw it's a trap. Obviously, a lot of people are looking to go long. Then me, I'm doing the opposite. So when it's come to trading, when it's come to the concept, the way I trade, I don't just go against people for the sake of going against everyone, but my concept is more of if 90% whatever stats saying people are losing money, then it means that the information that we have is backward. So what does that mean? It means that we need to trade against the information that we've been given, because every time you feel like everyone is watching behind your backs, that's where you will tell that there's something wrong with this whole knowledge that we've been given. So for me, I just normally go opposite, but not for the sake of opposite, but creating a system that trying to understand the way the market moves. You get the point. So with gold, as I've said, that I'm looking a bit of a push today, then probably the whole week looking for this one. I'm not saying price it won't go up, but for me, price to push further up, it would make sense because of that thing they've done there. So I'm looking for this one for price to push further down. So that's it for gold. Obviously we'll see other time frame just to see where can we have what you call, there's a whole supply zone. We must find a way to, but this area, man, because I'm looking, look, so that's why I'm saying that gold, I'm looking for something like that. And yeah, we'll be done with gold. So for this week, I'm looking to sell gold. Then I'm going to look at what other pair that many people like. Okay, we have, let me clean this one. We have US30. If you check previous videos, there's nothing changed here. The trend is still up. We saw price like 2 months back, a bit of a retracement, which is normal. Some other retracement take long, but I've been working on other stuff. So yeah, other thing I'll share as usual. Then, as you can see here, price just I'm looking for more upside, taking this high. Also, for what particular reason? Same thing with gold. Gold is an opposite, trap above, looking for below. This one, trap below, looking for above. That's how I trade. So that's what I'm looking for on USD. So USD for me, I'm still looking for more upside movement. And again, I did mention that retracement, majority of the time you'll see price visiting the previous monthly low, but doesn't break like accordingly. So when I say it doesn't break accordingly, it doesn't break like fully. So yes, it did break this one and close below, but we know it's a sort of a retracement. If this one was respected, pretty much can be respected. This one, as you can see, price is trying to rally up. So that would be the area that I'm looking for. So USD, I'm still looking for more upside movement. Then obviously on other time frame, just have to find your setup there. Yeah, for a sell, it won't make sense. But if it happens, it is what it is. But if you can check here, they clean early buyers, they clean everyone. You see, again, put other sell, other buyers, then clean them. But every time they clean them, they go for the last point. Clean them, they'll go for the last point. That's what I'm looking for. So obviously intraday, I have the different strategy that I'm using based on timing and the way countries are delivering themselves. So that's why I'm saying it's very important to understand what you're looking for. Bigger time frame, that's what I'm looking for. Smaller time frame, then I'll have another concept that I'll be applying in terms of understanding that if I'm selling in a bullish market, then I can quickly buy going to the other side of the market. So it's always going to be finding something that it can be adaptive when it's come to the market. So with the US30, as I've said, I'm still looking for upside movement up until this one. Then from there, we'll see how we can work around those things. But other than that, US30, we are bullish. Then Nasdaq, I've said before, we've been bullish for a long period of time. So nothing changed here. We're still up. I believe that, I don't believe, you can't just believe, but technically, I think we are in a bullish year. This is going to be a bullish year because already we're halfway. Why I'm saying that, you see, price move up. This was like a sort of a retracement. Then price gonna move up. So if they are trapping, obviously they have to push, come back, trap, and goes up. So we'll see how it goes. But for me, this will be like a minimum that I'm looking for. So let me just like do this. And this will be minimum A, B, C, D. Then you can clone this. Then you can have, oh, it didn't clone, but it's fine. Yeah, then I can have this. So let me do this again. Yeah, I think then this will be a minimum area that I would be looking for. Let me just do this. So let's go to monthly and see. See, there's a lot of space that I'm still like interested in. So we'll see how the price delivers. Obviously, those are a bit dangerous area. Why dangerous? Because of where's my pen. These are dangerous areas. Why? We have to understand that every time price creating a new high, pretty much you get it like a pullback. But the pullback come in different ways. You see, this one is not the same with this one. This one also a bit similar with this one. So this one, it's a bit similar to this one. So we'll see which one are we getting. But my idea for this whole Nasdaq thing, at least if we can get something like this, then continuing taking at that area. So we'll see also how the market plays out. But for Nasdaq, yeah, we're up. But mind you that we might have a pullback this week before a buy, because it is Monday. Pretty much these areas before going down. Obviously, we have a demand there, still fine. So we'll see how it plays out. Just mind the pullback on Nasdaq. Then which other one we must look for? Currency, guys. To be honest, I don't like them. These things are slow. I want something that moves. So yeah, on currencies, remember last time we spoke about GU. I'm still bullish. Price up, you see, pretty much a retracement. And something that you need to learn and understand is like, you see, this pullback, you see, there's a lot of them where price is pulling back to put more sellers in. I'm not saying this thing is not gonna drop, but at the moment I'm still interested in those high. This one can be a reaction for more sellers to come in. Then after that, pricing pushing further up. But I won't lie to you guys, I barely trade GU. And for me, I normally stick with Nasdaq US30. And what's that? Gold. I also added silver. I'm still monitoring a couple of few things. But at the end of the day, market is like similar things. But obviously, I'm just like, watching and see what's happening. So I added a couple of few pairs that I'll be dealing with because I think I'm more gravitating towards pairs that are a bit dangerous, a bit risky. I don't know why, but it is what it is. So GU for me, it's a bit slow, but also we'll see how if we can get sort of a confirmation here, then I'm interested to see that higher high. It's London Open. Oh, GERMAN30. London Open because I wanted to see something on GERMAN30. 730. Yeah, with GERMAN30. Trend is still up. Monthly. Yes, this one was taken. And also the other side has been taken. This one, at least if I can get something here. Let me just do this. Yeah, that's a tricky part about like brokers. Sometimes you'll find other broker took this one, other one didn't take. Then this one take this one, that one press bit lower again. So that's a bit of a challenge, but it is what it is. So I'm looking at least price to tap in here, then continuing breaking above. So with GERMAN30, GERMAN30 is good when you trade in the morning, and especially because as I'm seeing here, especially if you find like sort of a trend, it's easy because it just doesn't do a lot of funny things. So for now, we'll see, because I was looking for at least something like this. but we'll see how it plays out. But as you can see here, take, I want to see this, then yeah. So once you see this, then every day open, you buy up until that high. So with GERMAN30, I'll see if I do get bit of manipulation around this area. Why manipulation here? Because of, as I said, that I always liquidate supply and demand, but I know that there's a lot of factors in the supply and demand. So um, someone might be like, yeah, but that's not supply and demand. Yes, but I'm looking for something like this because I know particular individual, or not particular individual. Sorry to say that. It's something I've been seeing over and over again. So I don't know what it is, but that's what the market has been doing. So for GERMAN30, I want to see like a pullback around these areas. Then we can start going further up. And it's also possible actually to come and clean this one before it goes up. So for me now, for a buy, it's not gonna make sense because today what I'm looking for, I'll see, because now it's just open. Because also let me just do this. Yeah, because the opening, I'm looking for price actually to take that Friday high. Yeah, looking for price to take that Friday high. But that's the trade like for today. And this one happened in the morning. So it's a good buy. TP here. Then you're waiting for a rebalance. Again with the confirmation. Buy up until here. Confirmation with the sell. Sell this thing. So all these things will be the buy, buy, buy. So this thing, sell every pullback, whatever that you see. These will be like areas where price is reacting. Similar thing with this one. You see, price goes up, react. So every time price takes something, you're gonna wait for a pullback. So for this one that is currently happening, we can see sort of a pullback here. Let me just see. Just like see M1. Yeah, yeah, this one. Yeah, but I won't be selling this, but I would like to see if you're selling tip stop loss. Say if you sell here, if your stop loss should be above, then I would want to see price at least that will be a TP. Then from here, but I know that I'm interested in this area. So the dangerous one will be this one. This one will be dangerous. This one to sell here, but this one will be low risk. Even this one with the confirmation will be like a low risk. So other trades are a bit dangerous. Why? Because trying to accompanying the price, whatever expectation you have, might have a problem. So you must use logic. That makes sense. So that will be for me in terms of GERMAN30 today. But at the end of the day, it depends if the market delivers the way because if it doesn't deliver, then there's nothing I can do. So that would be like a GERMAN30 for today. Yeah, this one will be pretty much another drop. Yeah. Yeah, but still have a long week, guys. I don't cry for setups. I'll be checking what's that? Yeah, I'll be checking also US Open. Yeah, there's a lot of things that will be happening this way. And in terms of news, I'll check news also. I don't I only check news if there's like bigger ones. So I can trade them, because I was not a fan of news, but I've noticed that my prediction majority of the time they're spot on. So I'm like, at the end of the day, this is just the market. So nowadays, I also like news. I will check them today and see what are we having. Then from there, yeah. Uh, as I said, I'll drop a video this week. Yeah, I'll drop a video this week. The video actually is about like candles, especially bigger time frame. How can you predict the next move of the candle, and all that? So yeah, for me, guys, I think I'm done. As I said, that with currencies, me guys, forgive me, guys. Because the euro, you're looking at euro, it moved 20 pips. Yes, we can be, we can have an argument and say, yes, we must increase the lot size, and there's other people that do make money out of those things. But for me, I'm like, nah, I'm cool, because with Nasdaq, it's either you with the US state actual rate indices or gold. It's either you make money or it crashes you. It doesn't have time, you know. So I don't like something that will just have. I have to be more patient. I just want something that will tell me that, hey, you are right now, let's make money now, or you are wrong, let me crash you, and then finish and car. Then that is it. Then we move on. So yeah, let's call it a day, and yeah, see you on another side.